Omnisend Affiliate Program Review usage experience. Welcome to the Omnisend Affiliate Program Review. In this video, I'll be sharing my personal experience with Omnisend's affiliate program, its features, and who it's ideal for. You can find the product links in the description below for more details. Omnisend is a powerful e-commerce marketing automation platform designed to help online stores grow by improving their marketing campaigns. It specializes in email marketing, SMS marketing, push notifications, and automation workflows. Whether you're a small business owner or managing a larger e-commerce store, Omnisend offers an all-in-one solution to streamline customer communications and increase sales. Now, when it comes to the Omnisend affiliate program, it's a fantastic opportunity for those in the digital marketing or e-commerce space. Affiliates earn a 30% recurring commission on each sale. This means that every time someone signs up for one of Omnisend's paid plans, you earn a commission, and you continue to earn as long as the customer stays subscribed. The affiliate program is designed to make promoting Omnisend easy, thanks to its reliable tracking system and affiliate dashboard. Affiliates have access to a variety of marketing materials, including banners, email templates, and pre-written content to help you get started. The platform also provides a 60-day cookie window, which means you'll earn commissions on signups made within 60 days of someone clicking your affiliate link. Omnisend is ideal for e-commerce businesses, digital marketers, and bloggers who target online store owners or entrepreneurs. If your audience is already using e-commerce platforms like Shopify, BigCommerce, or WooCommerce, Omnisend is an excellent fit for their email and marketing automation needs. In summary, the Omnisend affiliate program offers a generous recurring commission, robust marketing resources, and a user-friendly platform. If you're looking for a way to generate passive income while promoting a high-quality tool that helps e-commerce stores grow, this is definitely a program to consider. Make sure to check out the links in the description and start promoting Omnisend today. Thanks for watching.